how to report someone on Roblox. First, you want to simply open the Roblox game, and once you're inside the game, you want to simply tap on the party option over here. And what you want to do is you want to simply go to the profile of the person that you want to report. After that, you want to simply tap on three dots over here, and by doing so you'd be able to see the report option over here. You want to tap on report, and by doing so you want to simply select the reasoning for report, or what part of the profile that you want to report. If you want to report them about their voice chat messages, you want to simply tap on voice chat messages and tap on continue. And as it says, it's better to report voice chat while you're playing games as well. You'd be able to report problem over there. Tap on continue over here, tap on one of those reasonings over here, tap on continue again. And here, if you want to give a lot of descriptions as well, you'd be able to add your additional descriptions over here and tap on send over here. And by doing so, you'd have successfully reported the user. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.